Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the JBL Vibe Beam has charge and is powered on because insufficient battery stops pairing. On the iPad, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the menu stays visible. This lets you watch the device list update. Then press and hold the speaker's Bluetooth button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. Once done, keep both units close. Proximity reduces interference and speeds discovery. You now complete the middle step. On the iPad, watch the Bluetooth list for JBL Vibe Beam. Tap that name as soon as it appears. The iPad will attempt to connect. Make sure you observe the status. Either it will show connected or present a short pairing code. If a code appears, confirm it because this secures the link and prevents accidental pairing. Once connected, audio routes to the speaker. Make a short test by playing a quick clip to verify output. You finish by ensuring proper audio routing and knowing a single troubleshooting tip. After connection, open Control Center and set output to JBL Vibe Beam while adjusting volume to a safe level, because apps don't always change output automatically. If pairing fails, forget the speaker in iPad Bluetooth settings and reinitiate pairing. This clears stale entries. And if problems persist, restart both the iPad and speaker. Rebooting often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.